I'm Old Sneelock. Welcome to another episode of Old Sneelock's Workshop. It's gonna rain here in just a few minutes, so I'm gonna go through the process of sticking the tire back on. I got it back from Jim Marston's Tire Service. It cost me $177, 60 bucks for the tube and $100 for the labor and taxes on top of that. Hard to believe that just a few years ago it would have been half of that because of inflation. But we're gonna go on from here. I'm going to show you how I put the rim back on the wheel, and to do that I'm going to put the camera inside because it's going to start raining here in just a moment. One of the things that has to happen is the valve stem has to go around the wheel. So I bring the valve stem up here to where it's just even with the axle, and then I work the tire in and slide that valve stem up over the wheel. Slide the whole apparatus forward and lift up. Slide it up over the taper on the rim. Now I've got the rim hanging on the wheel. I have to slide it around until it lines up with the bolt holes. I'm going to put the tractor in gear. That locks the rear axle. So I can rotate the rim over the outside of the wheel. Now I put a bolt in here and line up the wheel with the rim. Rattle it back and forth a little bit until it lines up. I'm going to put a washer and a nut on each one of them. That'll keep the wheel from sliding back off. Just spin them on loose with your fingers just to get them started. Now I take the tractor back out of gear so that I can spin the wheel. Now I slide in another bolt. By taking the tractor in and out of gear, I can lock the wheel down and spin the bolts around until they line up. I have enough slop in the bolt holes that the bolts can kind of wobble around in the holes there. Hi, hon. putting the rim on. Okay, the rim's bolted up now. I just got to jack it up and get the blocks out from under it. But I'll do that another day.